What's up, friends? Today we're installing a dash cam on the van. This is the Wolfbox. I'm going to link it below. It basically mounts over your mirror and becomes your mirror. On the back it has a forward facing camera. It also comes with a rear facing camera, your DC plug-in, and GPS so that you can sync your location with the footage. So installing this will be pretty easy. There's these little hooks on the back that basically just sits over your existing mirror, and then you have these little rubber straps that catch it from the backside and hold it in place. To run the wiring, I got a pretty good easy setup here with this headliner, and it's pretty open up there. I've already been in it a few times putting this switch panel in for the light bars, so I'll be able to just run the wire right up, catch my switch panel here, and I already have my power and ground up in there, so that'll be simple. As far as running the rear camera, I'll come out of the headliner up here, come across the ceiling all the way to the back, and as you see, I have a rear camera right here, so I'll just pop that off, bring the wire through in that same box, and just mount my rear camera right underneath. So I'll have my backup camera, my second backup camera, which is also recording when I'm driving as a dash cam from the rear. So this is the Wolfbox mirror mount dash cam, all installed and operational. As you can see, I've got it set up in split screen mode right now, but it does allow you to record front and rear simultaneously in a continuous loop, so the SD card doesn't get outrun. It records back over itself, and you can set the screen to display just the front, just the rear, or both, as I have right now. It does come with a standard 12-volt DC port plug-in. I did wire mine to a switch in the headliner panel. I like that option because I can just flip the switch on and off when I want to use it or not use it, versus plug it in and unplug it. I just don't like the extra messy wires hanging. But it does have built-in voltage protection, so if you do leave it on for an extended period of time, it would take a long time to outrun your vehicle battery, but it will shut itself off and prevent your battery from being drained, so you will still be able to start your vehicle. I really like that option for use in this adventure van. Maybe I'm going on a hike or kayaking or something, I would be gone for half the day. I'd like to be able to leave it running and record front and rear in case something happens to the van or somebody tampers with my stuff. I have evidence to work with, but it doesn't drain my battery, so when I come back, I know I'm good to go. So you can set the recording length. I have mine set to 1 minute, so every clip on the SD card is exactly 1 minute. And the GPS sync is really nice because the coordinates do show up on the clips, so it allows you to pinpoint exactly where the footage was taken. For installing this Wolfbox in my van, it was really easy because the van was pretty open. Depending on your configuration, it might be a little more intensive, but all in all, it's a pretty easy install. I've had this thing installed now for a few months, and I gotta be honest, I'm extremely happy with it.